Okay, so I'm on day 3 of my van rack build where I'm going to put my solar panels and a cargo area. And does anyone else have trouble looking at that little tiny lens that you can't even see on your freaking phone? I keep wanting to look at my face. I can't help it. It's not that I'm all that good looking or anything, but you know, it's a lot more tempting to look at a moving face than it is a stupid little lens you can't see. Anyway, I'm gonna try and look at the lens. Look at the lens. So anyway, I've almost finished with the rack, and to Monday I'm just gonna put on the legs and then try and install it onto the van and see how it fits. Let's hope it fits well. So let me show you the rack. So here it is. It's almost done. This is the plan I started with. And sized perfectly for my Ram ProMaster, which is gonna be freaking sick when it's done. My art van. It's been a real challenge to do this because it's made out of aluminum. And I've had a lot of experience MIG welding steel and a little bit of experience TIG welding steel, but I have no experience TIG welding aluminum, and it is freaking hard. Anyone that has welded aluminum, especially TIG welded aluminum, oh my gosh, you probably understand. I know the pros can do it great, but they not without lots of experience. This is freaking insane. I guess the key is good fit up and clean metal, and so I've been working on these joints to make sure they fit real nice. That goes in there. I can't do it with one hand, but you get the idea. There it is, see? But the nice thing about it is my welds are getting better, so by the time I'm done with this project, I'll be a decent TIG welder. Decent. It would take daily practice to be good, but I'm pretty proud of it nonetheless. All the ugly welds will be hidden anyway, and so it'll look pretty good. So all the part you're gonna see obviously is the outside rim, and I made the corners look real nice. Oh, is that a little ding? I gotta sand that off. It's pretty minimalistic on the edge. It's just gonna be a black line going across the top of the van, but I'm gonna put like a cool sticker right there, something that says super cool art van or something, or like Jeff's super cool art van, you know, something subtle so people, you know, I want to be kind of stealth. Anyway, real proud of my little front corner here. I made this aerodynamic because it is a solid 2 inches thick, and I can't even imagine how much wind resistance that would cause if I didn't go ahead and make that aerodynamic. Obviously, that's a joke. I don't know why I bothered with this other than it looks cool. And I'm pretty proud of that corner. Considering the front of my van is a 9-foot tall block of wind resistance. So I think 2 inches wouldn't have really mattered that much. So there's going to be a solar panel there, a solar panel there. This is a space for where my fan is. It's already installed. And then here there'll be 3 solar panels. 1, 2, 3. Just right next to each other along that space. And then this is the cargo area. There's a gap in the cargo area because I'm considering putting another fan right here in the back of the van so that I can have circulation from the front to the back. Like that, because it's gonna get pretty freaking hot in that van in the summer, and I wanna actually paint in the van. So I can go to places and when it's raining or whatever and stay out of the elements. The reason I did it with aluminum is this. It is freaking light. Lifting this with one hand. So when I ordered the metal, they said it was about 70 pounds of metal, and I've used it all except for a few scraps. So my guess it's around 65 pounds, which is kind of insane for an 11-foot long rack. 11 feet by 6 feet, 65 pounds. If I made that of steel, it would have been at least several hundred pounds, my guess. So that's good because I don't want my van to get too heavy and to have low gas mileage. It's already pretty bad with the gas mileage. I'm super excited because once I get this installed, I'll have the solar panels on, which means I can install the electricity and then install the heat, and then I can put in the cabinets and the walls and the ceiling, and this thing's gonna start coming together, and I'm super stoked. Everything's sort of been on hold until I can get this roof rack up. So that's that. Thanks for watching.